For the first patient sample, please open a new patient sample kit. Make sure to check the kit's NanoCool cooling system, PaxGene blood RNA tube, and other supplies to ensure that they have not expired. The foil side of the NanoCool should feel smooth and liquid-filled. Do not use if the foil side of the NanoCool is hard or if the entire foil surface is wrinkled. The edges and white underside should feel firm. Fill out the Corus CAD test requisition form, or TRF, completing all of the highlighted areas. Make sure not to miss the patient's legal name, date of birth, and sex, as they are required to result the Corus CAD test. Additionally, the diagnosis codes, the date the sample is taken, and the ordering clinician's name and signature are required. Include a copy of the patient's insurance card and a demographic sheet if available. Fill out the Corus CAD sample collection labels with the patient's name and date of birth in the indicated space. The patient name written on each label must match. Collect the patient's blood per the instructions entitled How to Collect Blood Using the PaxGene Blood RNA Tube, which is included in the documents pouch. Note the discard tube shown here, which should be used if Corus CAD is the only test blood is being drawn for, and in which case, a small amount of blood should be drawn into this tube to prime the line. If other blood tests are being run, then the PaxGene blood RNA tube should be the last tube drawn in the phlebotomy procedure. Using a BD Vacutainer Safety Lock blood collection set, collect the blood into the PaxGene blood RNA tube. Hold the PaxGene blood RNA tube below the patient's arm during blood collection. Allow the tube to fill for at least 10 seconds and until the vacuum is exhausted. Ensure that the blood has stopped flowing into the tube before removing the tube from the holder. Once the blood comes in contact with the PaxGene reagent, the blood will turn black and will bubble. Gently invert the PaxGene tube 8 to 10 times. Attach the barcode label from the Corus CAD sample collection sheet to the PaxGene tube, making sure not to cover the expiration date on the tube with the sticker. Attach another barcode label to the TRF, and any other documents such as the care application, patient demographics page, and a copy of the patient's insurance card. Discard any remaining labels. After blood collection, put each patient sample into its own biohazard bag with the absorbent sheet. Once ready for shipment, place the biohazard bag containing the patient sample inside the insulated cavity. Activate the NanoCool system by pressing the button with your thumb or finger, never a pen or fingernail, as you must be careful not to puncture the button. Within a minute after activating the NanoCool, the white side should be cooled to the touch, and the NanoCool logo will darken in color to blue. Place the cooling unit foil side up into the shipping container. Gather the completed test requisition forms and copies of the patient's insurance cards and place on top of the NanoCool prior to sealing the patient sample kit. Samples may be stored for up to 1 day prior to shipment in an activated nanocool. If a sample is drawn on Friday, it can be stored in a fridge over the weekend. Make sure to activate the nanocool on Monday prior to shipping out. For additional patient samples, use the blood collection supplies from the Corus CAD collection pack, which includes blood draw materials for 10 patients. Add up to 8 patient samples collected within 2 consecutive days to the same shipping box immediately prior to shipping. Samples must be stored at refrigerated temperatures between 2 to 10 degrees Celsius or 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit after they've been drawn. Prior to scheduled FedEx pickup, ensure that the blood tubes are labeled with the tube labels with the patient's names, that they are placed in the insulated cavity, and that the nanocool system has been activated and is cold to the touch, and securely in place in the kit with the foil side up. Also make sure that the paperwork for each sample is placed on top of the nanocool system. When ready for shipping, seal the box with the adhesive closures. Mail the shipping container via FedEx. We recommend setting up an account for convenience and efficiency. This can be done online or by calling 1-800-GO-FedEx. If you don't have an account, you can still schedule a pickup by stating you need a pickup for a package using a third-party billable stamp.